Hi everyone! Welcome to Fun Learning Journey. Today, let's discover 50 action verbs we use every day, from running to cooking. Let's get started. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe. Run, run. Walk, walk. Jump, jump. Smile, smile. Cry, cry. Laugh, laugh. Sing, sing. Dance, dance. Talk, talk. Shout, shout. Whisper, whisper. Swim, swim. Drive, drive. Fly, fly. Eat, eat. Drink, drink. Cook, cook. Bake, bake. Write, write. Read, read. Draw, draw. Paint, paint. Cut, cut. Knit, knit. Play, play. Throw, throw. Catch, catch. Kick, kick. Punch, punch. Hug, hug. Kiss, kiss. Climb, climb. Slide, slide. Swing, swing. Crawl, crawl. Jog, jog. Vacuum, vacuum. Push, push. Pull, pull. Lift, lift. Carry, carry. Drop, drop. Mop, mop. Bend, bend. Stretch, stretch. Sit, sit. Stand, stand. Sleep, sleep. Wash, wash. Touch, touch. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about daily action verbs. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.